And the F-bombs are flowing. Look at this one. Got all kinds of fun going on here. And let's just say somebody had a bit of a mishap. This only had 20,000 miles on it. And timing belt change, water pump change. And now it's junk. Goes right in the F-bomb collection. Let's just say windshield washer solution, or solvent as it is called, does not lubricate a water pump. And it came in with them thinking it had a transmission issue. And I drove it and I thought it was vacuum leak at first, until I seen the antifreeze leak. Amazing what we run into. F-bomb.